guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor. I've been getting so many questions about how I style my hair and requests to do a hair tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my hair basically every day. What I love about this hairstyle is, first of all, it's easy and fast. The second thing I love about this hairstyle is there's really not a right or wrong way to do it. Every day I do it a little bit different, I think. Perfection, really isn't a thing with this hairstyle. I just curl random pieces until I'm happy with the way that it looks. I love that this hairstyle is undone, it's carefree, it looks very lived in, and this is how I curl my hair.
For a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine in a world so full of pain. Can you make it go away? It used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe.
For my hair, I use the T3 Twirl Trio, and the barrel I use the most is the 1 1/4 inch, and I use this almost every day. I don't usually put any styling products in my hair after I curl it because I like the way it looks throughout the day, as it just is lived in. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe in the bubble on the screen, and thanks for watching.